have a tip for you today, but not a Tableau tip, rather a design tip. I came back from conference feeling super inspired, and I'm pulling out some old tools that I absolutely love. You may or may not have seen the color palette generator. If you haven't, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how great this is and how you can interact with your projects in Tableau. Simply enter the generator. You find a color palette that you like. There are ways that you can view it, see the hex code, copy and paste it directly into Tableau for each of the various colors. You can see how it could be visualized, get some inspiration beyond maybe some web design. Maybe you want to see how this could be used in a dashboard. Copy that for inspiration. Maybe like the colors, just need to understand if there's a better use of the colors. You can swap it out and play with the colors and how they're used. Maybe like one color, but not all of them. You can lock in a color, hit the space bar to regenerate the other colors. You can favorite things for future projects. You can see on various different shades if you need gradient use. What else? Lots of different great things. Love this tool so much. Oh, the most important thing, you can do a direct colorblind test within the tool to know how it's going to appear, to avoid using colors that are not colorblind friendly. If you sign up for the Pro version, there's lots of other different adjustments and tools that you can also use. Love the color palette picker. Love using it for inspiration for new projects and pulling new colors in. Happy Tuesday.